The Goldwing Ltd Goldwing is an American ultralight aircraft that was designed by Catto and Brian Glenn and produced by Goldwing Ltd. The aircraft was supplied as a complete factory-built aircraft only and no kits or plans were offered. The aircraft was first flown before the US FAR 103 ultralight vehicles rules were introduced, and the early versions of the Goldwing did not meet the category's maximum empty weight of 254 pounds 115 kilograms or its maximum speed requirement of 63 miles per hour 101 kilometers per hour. Later models were made lighter and slower to fit FAR 103. The Goldwing UL model has a standard empty weight of 252 pounds 114 kilograms. It features a cantilever midwing, canard, a single-seat, open cockpit, tricycle landing gear and a single engine and pusher configuration. The aircraft is made from molded fiberglass epoxy composites, including Kevlar, carbon fiber reinforced polymer, and high-density foam. Its 30 feet 9.1 meters span wing is built with a carbon epoxy spar, with the rest of the wing built from foam and covered with doped aircraft fabric covering. The wing features tip runners and ailerons combined with spoilers for roll control. Pitch is controlled by the canard surface. The landing gear includes laminated fiberglass main gear legs and a steerable nose wheel. The aft-mounted power plant was a 30 HP, 22 kilowatts, Kawasaki 440, 30 HP, 22 kilowatts, Kaiuna 430R or a 28 HP, 21 kilowatts, Rotax 277. The Goldwing has a 16:1 glide ratio. In flight, the aircraft is reported to be very pitch sensitive. Goldwing ST. Initial version, too heavy and fast for the US FAR 103 ultralight category. Goldwing UL. Lightened version, with a standard empty weight of 252 pounds 114 kilograms that conforms to US FAR 103 requirements. Data from Cliché General Characteristics. Crew, 1. Wingspan, 30 feet 9.1 meters. Wing area, 140 square feet 13 square meters. Empty weight, 252 pounds 114 kilograms. Gross weight, 540 pounds 245 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 3 US gallons, 11 L, 2.5 imp gal. Power plant, 1 times Kawasaki 440, 30 HP, 22 kilowatts, performance. Cruise speed, 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, 52 knots. Stall speed, 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, 22 knots. Never exceed speed, 70 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour, 61 knots. Service ceiling, 10,000 feet 3,000 meters. G limits, +6/-4.5. Maximum glide ratio, 16:1. Rate of climb, 600 feet per minute, 3.0 n/s.